I am a big plant nerd, and I keep plants alive through the season that usually fill this this 3-season room and also the deck area. And because we're doing renovations in the basement this year, the creepy plant lab slash drug lab that I typically keep in the basement, we had to move it. And so this has been working out really great since October. So this is my little tiny greenhouse. So I want to give you a little tour. So I picked this up on Amazon. I don't know, it's like $100. It is 6 feet by 6 feet by about 6 feet tall. And it's like a big translucent tent. But the challenge is out here in the Florida room, 3-season room, is that 4th season winter gets cold. So I had to come up with a way to keep everything happy and alive, but not cost $1 million or set the house on fire. So you see this big blue 55-gallon drum. That probably would look like a bomb to most, but no, this is filled with 55 gallons of water. And what this produces is what's called thermal mass. So I'd have to do the quick math, but about 8 gallons, or rather 8 pounds per gallon, 55, we're up somewhere about 500 pounds of thermal mass. And I keep it warm with aquarium heaters. And so you can see right here, it's about 83 degrees in the tank. And I built these PVC extensions. There's the probe, and there's a 400 watt tropical fish aquarium heater. I think I got 2 of these on eBay for like 25 bucks. Not bad. And so these aquarium heaters keep this water at about 80 degrees at all times. And so what happens is we have this giant, hot 500-pound mass at 80 degrees, and that radiates effectively, keeping all these plants nice and comfortable throughout the season. Now, because I'm a huge nerd, I have gone to some further contingencies. So here we have a temperature sensor, and this goes back and measures the temperature in here at all times and tells me if we hit a certain threshold. So I'm looking at 40 degrees is my trigger number. And then as we come down here, we have an additional sensor, and this is monitoring soil temperature. And you can see right now it's 49.6. And so here's the probe. And essentially that goes in, you can kind of see that black wire, and that measures the soil temperature. So in the event that soil temperature gets below 40 degrees, this device kicks on this auxiliary heater, which has not turned on yet this year. And so this is a small wattage radiator, and essentially if we're probably below 0, it looks like the thermal characteristics I'm seeing, if we're below 0, this would kick in and then hopefully keep everything alive through a very cold January, February night. But so far it's been working out really great. There is enough sunlight out here to keep everything nice and alive. I come in here about every 2 weeks and water everything. And it's doing really well. I also, down here, track my energy usage through this Belkin Wemo switch. And believe it or not, it takes about $13 of electricity a month to keep this whole operation running. So that keeps everything at no less than 40 degrees through the winter. So here's my nerdy greenhouse. Thank you for watching.